Smitty. We're just showing you a little bit of what's going on here. We got the water pump in, harmonic balancer, the alternator, valve cover, the front cap, this right here, and we got the exhaust system all together, heat shield. We just got to plug in the O2 sensor as soon as we get to start running the wires. Our spark plugs are in, brand new. Oil is in. Took the whole gallon. It may need a little bit, and I saw a little bit more on the back of the trunk. We got the spark plugs in, brand new spark plugs, ignition coils. And from the belt side, they number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to be putting the intake on, but it's Sunday. We're calling it a wrap. I got 2 more days to get this done. We haven't yet changed the motor mount on this side. And I wanted to let you know about the motor mount on this side. The dealer discontinued it. And none of my auto parts places have access to it. The one that we got is an aftermarket, and I think I have it in my trunk of my car. It's an aftermarket, and they can't even refine that one. The dipstick tube has a new O-ring down at the bottom where it plugs into. And just want to let you know how far we got today. Today's Sunday. What's today's date, Mama? The umpteenth. We don't know. The umpteenth. I think Marissa's trying to get the motor mount. Battery's still out of it. Battery's over there. Your battery looks pretty tired, so I'm gonna wash it up, clean it. Oh, there's the piece. Bring it, baby. My baby's gonna show you the motor mount that we're missing, and we can't seem to find it anywhere. This one is an aftermarket motor mount because the original one doesn't look like this. This is the one that you put aftermarket, but we can't even find an aftermarket part. We found some that looks similar to it, but they go out to the SCION TC and the SCION XB, so it's not gonna work. Alright, that's just a little bit to show you what we're doing. I got a feeling by tomorrow I'm gonna have it wrapped up, but I still got 2 days just in case I gotta work some bugs out of it. So Tuesday definitely, Smitty. We're working day and night getting this thing done, but it's Sunday and we're gonna make it a wrap. I'm gonna chill out, chillax the rest of the day. Right, baby? Okay, that was your video, and I'm gonna post it up. Alright, you take it easy.